Hello and good morning to one and all. I welcome you once again in the class of English Standard 10, Unit number 7, Glimpses of India, from that Part 2, Kurg, written by Lokesh Abrol. I have shown you the map of India where particularly Kurg is situated. It is very near to Mysore, and even through Bengaluru we can come to Kurg. Introduction to the chapter. Kurg is coffee country, famous for its rainforests and spices. Medicary, the district headquarters, is the only gateway to Kurg. It is called the land of rolling hills. It looks like a piece of heaven on the earth. Now, today we are going to learn second part of your unit 7, and the title is Kurg. कॉफी. कॉफी पीना हमें बहुत ही पसंद आता है. हॉट कॉफी ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन एंड ऑल्सो ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स. ठंड में हमें कॉफी की चुस्कियां देना बहुत ही मजा आता है. सो वेयर दैट कॉफी प्लांटेशंस आर देयर, कहाँ पे अच्छे मसाले दैट आर स्पाइसेस मिलते हैं, उन सब के बारे में डिटेल हम पढ़ेंगे. एंड इवन दैट इज द लैंड ऑफ rolling hills. Kurg is said like that. Even Kurg is also known as piece of heaven on the earth. ऐसे मानो कि जैसे अर्थ पे स्वर्ग उतर आया हो. Kurg lies midway between Mysore and Mangalore. It looks like a piece of heaven on earth. It is hilly place of brave men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. It is also known by the name of Kodagu. Kurg can be reached from Mangalore, Bengaluru, or Mysore through the mode of transportation such as by rail, by road, or even by air. Kurg is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is the home of evergreen forests, spices, and coffee plantation. I have shown you all the three images on the screen. The first one is for evergreen forests, second are for spices, masale, and the third image on the screen is for coffee plantation. It rains heavily during the monsoons and the visitors keep away. बहुत ही बारिश की वजह से वहां पर हम नहीं जा सकते हैं. सो हैवी रेन्स के टाइम पे विजिटर्स वहां पर विजिट नहीं करते हैं. बट द मंथ्स फ्रॉम सितंबर टू मार्च आर वेरी प्लेजेंट. वो टाइम बहुत ही सुनहरा, enjoyable वहां पर होता है. The air breathes of refreshing coffee. वहां की हवाओं में जैसे आप मानो कि कॉफी की फ्रेग्रेंस, कॉफी का एरोमा, कॉफी की ही खुशबू आ रही है. The Kurg people live a life of complete independence. It is believed that they are descended from the Greeks or the Arabs. According to the Greek theory, it is said that a part of Alexander's army found it impossible to go back and was left there. These people married among the locals. उन लोगों ने फिर नहीं जा सके बाहर, इसके लिए उन्होंने फिर मिंगल होना स्टार्ट किया लोकल लोगों के साथ, कर्नाटका के लोगों के साथ, कुर्ग में रहने वाले लोगों के साथ. उन्होंने क्या किया है? मिंगल होना, दैट इज मैरी करना स्टार्ट किया है। द मार्शियल ट्रेडिशंस ऑफ ग्रीक्स, their marriage, their religious rites are quite visible among the Kurg people. According to the herb theory, the Kupia, I have shown you on the third image, Kupia, a long black coat with an embroidered belt. आप देख सक रहे हैं ब्लैक कलर का कोट है और जो उन्होंने अपनी वेस्ट के ऊपर बेल्ट बांधा है, दैट इज एम्ब्रॉयडरीड बेल्ट। वो कौन पहनता है? वहां के रहने वाले लोग, जिसको अपन कोड़ावूस कहते हैं। रिसेंबल्स द कुफिया worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. I have enlarged the image and shown you कुपिया लोग ने कैसे अपने ड्रेसेस को पहना है। Even on the screen you can see अरब के जो पीपल होते हैं वो इस खुफिया को यूज करते हैं और इसी की तरह रिसेंबल करता है, दिखने में वैसा ही होता है जैसे वो अपनी कमर पे बेल्ट बांधते हैं। ओके, सो कोड़ावूस और कुर्गीज are known for their bravery and hospitality. The Kurg regiment of the Indian Army has won many bravery awards. मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही आप लोगों को बताया कि वहां के जो लोग हैं, those are known for their martial arts. Even the women's over there are beautiful enough. General Cariappa, the first chief of Indian Army, was a Kurgi. It is a very proud moment for Karnataka state and even for Kurg कि अपन के इंडियन आर्मी का जो फर्स्ट चीफ था was Kurgi. I have shown you on the image on the screen. कौन थे वो? जनरल कैरियप्पा। The river obtains its water from the hills and forests of Kurg. कावेरी रिवर यहाँ पे फ्लो होती है। I have displayed you on the screen. The area is rich in wildlife like elephants, kingfishers, squirrels, langurs and parrots. ये सब वहां पर आपको देखने को एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स मिलते हैं। एंड देयर आर वेरी adventurous sports and events to be done when you people visit Kurg. Please do all these adventures. What sorts of adventures are being provided over there? The most popular adventure sports are rafting. The first images of that. Next is canoeing. Canoeing means छोटा सा पतला सा narrow type का ship. Next is rappelling, that is coming down from the hills with the help of the rope. Next is rock climbing. I have shown you on the image. Even there is mountain biking. When one climbs the Brahmagiri hills, one gets a wide-ranging view of Kurg. A walk across the rope bridge brings one to 64 acres island of Nisargdham, which is India's largest Buddhist monks Tibetan settlement. One can see them in robes of red, yellow colors. Thus, Kurg helps one to discover the heart and soul of India. I hope the story presented by me is understood to you people. Now, your today's task is, I have displayed you 3 main questions on the screen. You are supposed to answer these in your fair notebook. Kurg is the awesome paradise on earth. That's all for today, students. Keep your work updated. All the very best. Thank you for listening.